Today is our ninth consecutive green day in a row, up over $200, and it's just the beginning. What's going on, guys? Johnny Trades here, and if you did not tune in to our live stream from this morning, then definitely go back and watch that and consider watching our next live stream tomorrow morning at Market Open. Hope to see you all there. Guys, we're locked in another $23 on 1.29%, and this is awesome. We're growing our account very nicely from March 1st to now up $197 or about 11% in about 9 trading days. As you can see here, we have all of our trading days showing right here, as you can see. And hey, small profits do add up over time, as we're able to see. Made a trade today. What we could have did better was understand overall direction. Or what we do here is we do a good job by understanding overall direction, then by identifying obvious support and resistance levels. And then once we identify those, we're able to do a better job by locking in profits and not over trading everything and anything that moves, right? Trade less, profit more. What I could do better is be more patient and staying true to my trade plan, but doing all this can result in daily profit. So we're going to go over our trade just like you saw here. We're going to pull up the WEBULL account and go from there here. So as you can see, $23 on the day. We can pull up our mini P&L widget, as you can see here, all locked in. No open P&L position at the moment. So yeah, we are done trading for the day in about an hour and a half today. So we'll be doing a good job this week, this couple of weeks, is by identifying that obviously the markets are selling off. So we've been able to trade this as it has that nice upward momentum. Now, obviously, I can do a way better job by holding these positions longer. As you can see here, I sold way too early. Again, SQQQ pushing up to $40, which is now a resistance level. And it's been at this level before, just prior a couple days ago. It had touched $40.25. So it's pretty amazing to see this go higher and higher as time goes on. Now, our trade initially came about because QQQ did have a nice horizontal pattern here from yesterday, right? It traded horizontally as we traded it yesterday. Again, buying at these weird levels here on SQQQ and riding that wave up. QQQ began to sell off. We noticed it got rejected a couple times pre-market and decided this was going to sell off even more and decided to take a trade on SQQQ. Now, what we could have done a better job was hold longer. We bought 10 shares at about 7:38, so about 8 minutes after the opening bell, for around $37. So about 370 bucks. And then we noticed an upward trend with this moving average, and with this upward trend we were able to make a better determination. Hey, we're going to add more shares. So we bought in at 37.80. We added more shares at 38, which is a 20-cent increment, and then when it pushed up another 20 cents to 38.20, we bought another 10 shares. Pushed all the way up to those $39 levels, and we actually sold 10 shares at 38.96 and 39.04, giving us a nice average sell price of around $39. We then seen this little bounce, thinking it was going to dip. It did not. We did buy 10 more at $38.66, and then we bought 5 more at $37.97 when we noticed it was showing signs of support. Now, we did notice that there was some resistance at these levels today based off of QQQ, which was this level right here. So we did notice, I was like, okay, if it breaks this level of support, then maybe I will get out, right? And what it did was it pushed up, resulting in this little position here on SQQQ, pushing down, and that's when I decided, hey, I'm going to lock in some profits at 38.55, and then sold my last 15 shares at 38.32 after a quick flush down. And you can watch that in the live stream. I did not close the live stream out until we closed out this trade, so it was a good hour and a half long live stream this morning. Now, by understanding, hey, we locked in profits, not bad. We bought in at around 30, what was it, 37.84 and $38. We had a $38 average. So by understanding that, we went from $38 up to highs of 39 for $1 per share. Locked in $20 right off the bat, and then tried to buy again for another run up. And it would have worked, right? It's at $40 right now and pushing. It's at 39.70. And looking at the bigger scale of things, honestly, holding a bit longer would have worked out more favorably. I had 50 shares at a $38 average, and we literally could have seen $2 per share today at those $40 moves, which has resulted in about $100 in profit. So these last couple of weeks, I've been doing a great job by staying profitable and green over 9 consistent green days. But what I'm doing badly on is holding my winners longer. I'm jumping the gun too early. This was a good trade. I like this beginning setup from bottom to top. Had a nice setup here to trade and get profits. And then this back end was also very nice. No way to know. Obviously, that's a lot of hindsight. When I was getting out of this trade this morning, you know, it's probably one of the longer trades I've held all week, about an hour and a half. And when I seen this big red candle, I sold because I didn't want it to go even further down. Now looking at it, I could have held, right? I could have held and it could have pushed up even more, resulting in another dollar per share. But nonetheless, still locked in profits today. An amazing trading day for sure. I enjoyed spending our morning with you all, and every day we get more and more people tuning in to the live stream. We have over 7,000 subscribers now on the YouTube channel, and I want to be able to provide knowledge and education not only for our members that show up every day and who are catching on and making profits, but I also want to be able to be a catalyst in all of our new beginners' successes. Anyone who's coming in for the first time and watching this video, I'm sure there's something you can take away from it. One little piece of information that may have changed your viewpoint on trading or made something just a little easier for you to understand. If so, I hope I gained your support, and definitely smash that like button for me if you found value in this video. Consider joining our Discord, 100% free, lifetime access. Get in now while it's free, might not be free for long, and join our live stream. Check out our Learn to Earn lesson library. I talk all about indicators and moving averages to help you be a better trader. With that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope to see you all in tomorrow's live day trading session. And remember, don't be late. All right, guys, we'll see you then.